What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another unboxing. This time, I've got a webcam that I picked up for about 20 bucks off of Amazon. Alright, as I said, I picked up a cheap webcam off Amazon for about 20 bucks. It shoots in 1080p. I picked it up because I want something that's got a shorter focal length for doing some casting directly from my computer, for doing some gameplay editing stuff, you know. Maybe I'll go in and do some like retro computer games, and I want to have my head down there in the corner. But with the cameras and the lenses we have right now, the focal length, I'd have to have the camera quite a ways away in order for that to work, and it just won't be right for that space. So I picked up a cheap webcam. It actually feels like there's two boxes in here, so there might be something else with the webcam. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Oh, okay, I did get something else in there. Alright, so this is the Larmtek Webcam. I think I spent $21 on Amazon for it. Should be a fairly basic little setup. There's not really much in the box, a couple little manuals. And the webcam itself. Here we go. Nice little camera. It's got, looks like these are stickers. Or is it magnetic? I'm not sure if it's a sticker or if it's magnetic. It seals up on that, so I can put it on a base. Oh yeah, so I probably can put it on the back of the monitor or something like that. Yeah. Pretty basic setup here. Nothing too fancy. Wouldn't expect much for a $20 webcam, but we'll hook this up to the computer and we'll make some videos with it and see what we got. Looks like it has a pretty decent length for the USB cable, so good. I don't have to get an extension or anything for it. Now, the other thing that was in the package is this. It's a set of micro USB cables from Anker. I think I spent $14 on this. Well, let's go ahead and open this sucker up. I think there's 5 cables in here of various lengths. Should be just some basic stuff here. All right, oh, maybe it was 4 cables. Yeah, it looks like it's, nope, 5 cables, okay. So yeah, we've got 2 1-foot cables, so really short. Might keep them on the desk for charging stuff. Got 2 3-foot cables. Yep. And 1 6-foot cable. Now these do have Velcro on them, which is nice. Okay, cool. Small little piece of Velcro, help keep things together. I dig it. It's labeled with Anker. I probably will take those off and use them for maybe cable management on a computer at some point. Velcro is nice for doing that. Let's go ahead and put these suckers back in the box. Alright, well, if you like this video, you know what to do. Click the like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment. The only way I know if I'm delivering you content that you want is if you leave me some feedback. We'll have more content coming out to you here. I'm probably going to do unboxings on Thursdays, so make sure to subscribe and you'll be able to see whatever random piece of stuff I get off of Amazon or eBay or whatever. Again, click that subscribe button. Till next time, YouTube, stay classy.